Making the switch from manual HR to automated HR doesn't have to be complicated or time-consuming. In this video, I'll show you how to switch to automated HR seamlessly and painlessly, so you can streamline your processes and focus more on growing your business. Stick around until the end because I'll share an exclusive free trial to one of the best HR software tools to help you get started today. First, let's talk about why you should switch to automated HR. Manual HR processes can take up so much of your time, not to mention they're prone to errors. Whether it's tracking employee attendance, managing payroll, or handling benefits, everything is easier when you automate it. With automated HR, you can ensure accuracy, save time, and reduce human error, all while improving efficiency across your entire team. Now, let's dive into how to make the switch painlessly. The first step is choosing the right HR software. You've probably heard of a few popular options, but I've tried several myself, and the one we'll be using today really stood out. Our software helps eliminate manual tasks and integrates everything you need for an efficient HR department into one platform. I'll tell you more about it in a moment, but just know that this will help you switch from manual HR to automated HR with minimal hassle. Once you've selected your software, the next step is to map out your existing processes. Take a look at your current manual HR tasks and see what could be automated first. Start with the low-hanging fruit, like employee time tracking or benefits management. These are areas where automation can quickly make a huge impact, saving you time and effort right from the start. Next, it's time to import your data. If you've been using spreadsheets, this is where you'll need to upload that data into your new system. Most HR software solutions come with easy-to-use import tools, but you may need to clean up your data before migrating it. Don't worry, this is an essential part of making the switch painlessly. Getting your data organized now will make everything run smoother in the long run. Once your data is in the system, take some time to customize your settings. Automated HR software often lets you set up workflows, reminders, and alerts. For example, you can automate payroll and benefits notifications to employees, or set reminders for performance reviews. Customizing these workflows will save you tons of time, so you won't have to manually follow up on every task. When it comes to training your team, make sure you walk through the new system with them. A big part of switching from manual HR to automated HR is ensuring your team knows how to use the software effectively. Hold a training session to show them how the software works and what they need to do differently. This will help smooth the transition and reduce resistance. After everything is set up and your team is trained, monitor the system for a bit. Make sure all the automated processes are running smoothly, and if there are any issues, tweak the settings. It's totally normal to make adjustments during the first few weeks as you get the hang of the new system. Now, I mentioned earlier that I'd give you an exclusive free trial to the software we're using in this video. If you want to follow along and experience the benefits of automated HR firsthand, you'll find the link in the description below. This trial is exclusive to viewers of my channel, so don't miss out. The key takeaway here is that switching from manual HR to automated HR is all about choosing the right software, mapping out your processes, importing your data, customizing workflows, and training your team. With the right tools and a little planning, you'll have a more efficient HR system in no time. To recap, make sure to choose the right software, clean up your data, set up your workflows, train your team, and monitor the system as it runs. And don't forget to take advantage of the exclusive free trial in the description below. Thanks for watching.